In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Microsoft Teams notifications during your holiday. This way you can truly enjoy your downtime without any unnecessary interruptions. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to sign into your Microsoft Teams account. If you're already logged in, you're ahead of the game, but if not, head over to the Teams website or open the application on your device. Use your credentials to log in and ensure that you're accessing the correct account, especially if you manage multiple ones. Once inside Teams, keep an eye out for the three dots, often referred to as the ellipsis, located at the top right corner of the window. Clicking on these three dots will open up a drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to various options to customize your Teams experience. It's a nifty little feature that hides a lot of functionality in plain sight. Next, from this drop-down menu, you'll want to click on Settings. This is your gateway to modifying how Teams behaves to suit your specific needs, allowing you to tailor the application for a more personalized experience. In the settings section, you'll find several tabs to explore, each dealing with different aspects of the platform. Now navigate to the Notifications and Activity tab. This section is very important when you want to control when and how often Teams pings you with updates. It holds the key to switching off those pesky notifications that might disrupt your relaxation time during your holiday. Within the Notifications and Activity area, you have a range of options at your disposal, allowing you to customize notifications to your liking. This is where you can tweak settings to fit your preferences, ensuring that you only receive critical alerts or none at all if you prefer absolute silence. Perhaps you might want to continue receiving chats from specific people, or to be alerted only about crucial meetings. The key is to explore these options and think about what you'll need while you're away. Remember, taking the time to adjust your notification settings now will ensure peace of mind during your well-deserved break. And that's pretty much it. With these settings configured, you can sit back, relax, and enjoy your holiday without the constant buzz of notifications pulling you back into work mode. Remember, it's essential to take time for yourself, and managing your notifications is a vital step toward achieving that. Thanks for tuning into our video today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this one. Happy holidays and enjoy the silence.